Julia Francesca Barretto Valdivia, born March 10, 1997, is a Filipino actress, commercial model, and entrepreneur, known for playing lead roles in romantic comedy and drama. She began her acting career as a child actress in several television soap operas. She has starred in numerous blockbuster films such as Vince and Kath and James 2016, Love You to the Stars and Back 2017, Unexpectedly Yours 2017, and Unhappy for You 2024. Her accolades include 3 box office entertainment awards and a nomination in the prestigious Asian Television Awards. She has been inducted into the Eastwood City Walk of Fame. She was born to actors Dennis Padilla and Marjorie Barretto, and has siblings from both her parents' respective sides. She is a member of the Barretto clan, a prominent entertainment family which includes actresses Claudine Barretto and Gretchen Barretto. She finished grade school at Miriam College in Loyola Heights, Katipunan Avenue, Quezon City in March 2011. She started high school at Miriam College from freshman to sophomore year, where she played as a member of their varsity volleyball team in the WNCAA, until she transferred to St. Paul College in Pasig in 2013 during her junior year under their curriculum for professional talents. After signing a contract with Star Magic, she graduated high school in 2015. Barretto previously dated actor and perennial on-screen partner Joshua Garcia in 2017. Their relationship lasted for 2 years. She is currently in a relationship with actor and Between Nabi's co-star Gerald Anderson. Anderson confirmed the relationship in a 2021 interview with Boy Abunda. In 2013, Barretto filed a petition before the Quezon City Regional Trial Court to change her surname from Valdivia, her father's surname, to Barretto, her mother's surname. Her parents, actors Marjorie Barretto and Dennis Padilla, have been separated since 2007. The official reason cited by the actress camp was to prevent confusion due to different surnames used in public and official records. In 2020, Barretto filed a legal complaint against former broadcaster Jay Sanza for cyber libel and violation of the Safe Spaces Act at the National Bureau of Investigation due to his malicious social media posts alleging her pregnancy. Julia Barretto gives us a tour of her chic and minimalist home office. She transformed her house's entire 3rd floor into a productivity nook. Working from home became a reality for many during the pandemic, high-profile celebrities included, in an attempt to claim her productivity in her humble abode when she's not busy taping her shows. Julia Barretto decided to transform the entire 3rd floor of her house into a chic workspace, and the results show a totally soothing nook. In a vlog, the 25-year-old star gave us a tour of her new home office, a testament to her ever-chic and minimalist style. On her decision to build her own workspace, she says, "With the pandemic going on, I started doing all my work stuff at home, Zoom meetings, pitchings, everything work-related. It all happened from home. I didn't want to do my work in my room cause I'd be too lazy, too comfortable. I also didn't want to do it in the dining room because it's a place to eat with my loved ones. I decided to transform this whole 3rd floor into a home office, and since then, I've been working peacefully. There are less distractions in this area." For her workspace, she sought help once again from interior designer Nix Alanon, the same mastermind behind the rest of her house. According to her, it was initially a theater room for her to entertain guests, a space to watch movies, relax, unwind with cocktails. With the pandemic limiting social interactions, the original plan was put on hold and she decided to prioritize her home office instead. Inside Julia Barretto's home office, this corner was described by the young actress as a spot where the magic happens. Sitting at the top of the table are scripts, books she has yet to read. Visually seeing them serves as a reminder, and her humble Kindle, because Julia also loves to read whenever she's on the go. There's not much to see on Julia's bookshelf, but this is where she keeps her little abodes, chargers, more books, and tiny figurines. Julia also makes sure to support her friends' small businesses. She orders her regular supply of flowers from her stylist Kath Sober Vega, who sent her these beautiful tulips that perfectly complement her space. It goes so well with her comfortable swivel chairs. Julia shared that one of her biggest purchases is this painting, an artwork that breathes life into her muted color palette for her office. We totally love how she added more storage to the nook by installing these customized shelves, housing her favorite things, awards, photographs of loved ones, and poetry books. She says she's a big fan of authors Lang Leave and Rupi Kaur, and houses more of their works in her bedroom downstairs. At the end of a hectic workday, Julia makes sure to unwind with a glass of wine. Her mini wine cellar is currently empty though, as she recently ran out of stock. It's also how she usually bonds with her friends and family when they're hanging out at her house. Lastly, another art piece that Julia incorporated into her space. She says she dreams of meeting its artist and would one day want to know how she came up with a masterpiece. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Take care always.